Hey guys, how you doing? It's the Do Carpenter, and I just wanted to put a quick video out. Over the past couple of years, Melanie and I have done some pretty crazy things, and we built some pretty cool stuff. Our channel is all about off-grid and alternative technologies for different types of building systems. We built a shop back behind Grandpa's house out of aircrete. I've shown hundreds of people how to build their own foam generators so that they can make this aircrete. I built a light and portable rocket stove completely from recycled materials for Julie at Dirt Patch Heaven. And then I went ahead and drew it up and made one that is duplicatable. We also built a shop where we could hold workshops. And last year, we held the very first Do Carpenter University. Hey guys, this year to say thank you to people, we're going to give away one Do Carpenter University, and we're going to give away 2 foam mates. Now, for the people that came last year to the Do Carpenter University, oh my gosh, we were able to just forge some lifelong friendships. People came and they got to learn how to bend sheet metal and do different things and build a stove, and they get to take the stove home with them at the end of the Do Carpenter University. It turned out way better than we ever thought it could. It's real easy to win these things. You can just go to honeydew-carpentershop.com. At the top of the page, there's going to be a link that you can click on, and you can go to the newsletter and idea exchange, and that will allow you to just put your email in there and opt in. Once you do that, you're going to get emailed a Get to Know Us course. And it has 5 modules to it. And for the people who go through the 5 modules, we're giving away a Do Carpenter University. You're going to get a lot of information about Melanie and I. That's going to give you an opportunity to determine whether we're someone you want to follow. And I think you'll really enjoy it. And you'll learn a lot about Melanie and I and where we came from and why we do what we do. So I will talk to you guys later. Thanks. Bye.